Think physics is boring and hard? What if I told you that everything around you, from how you walk to how your iPhone works, is explained by it? Physics is the key to understanding the world, and you're already using it every single day without even knowing it. Here are the 5 big rules that run everything. 1. Force and motion. This is Newton's second law. Simply put, if you want to move something, you need force. The heavier the object, the more oomph you need to get it going. Engineers use this law to build everything from Ford trucks to SpaceX rockets that serve millions of people. 2. Gravity. Everything in the universe pulls on everything else. The Earth pulls on you, which is why you don't float away into space. This same force has kept the moon in orbit for over 4.5 billion years. 3. Matter is energy. Einstein's famous formula. It shows that even a tiny bit of matter holds a massive amount of energy. This is the social proof of the sun. It's been powering our entire solar system for ages using this exact rule. 4. Electricity. Ohm's law. Without this, your smartphone would just be a paperweight. It explains how electricity flows through wires. Today, this law helps provide power to over 300 million people. 5. Saving energy. Energy never just disappears. It only changes shape. For example, when you eat a burger, your body turns that fuel into energy for you to run or think. Nothing is wasted. It just moves on. Physics isn't just about textbooks, it's about life. It gave us the internet, GPS, and life-saving medicine. By understanding these 5 simple rules, you finally see how the world really works. If you enjoyed this video, you definitely love this one.